domain means a large, range means a small or little kind of one. Range is smaller than domain. When we define as you can understand what I'm talking now, domain is just take it the broad means the large one. Broad is a large one, and broad is a what? A large one. When we talk the broad is a huge. Domain jechuun garaa biraatiin nama. Fakkeenyaaf barumsa social science and natural science. Social science is individually what is domain. Natural science is individually so the domain. The branch of natural science, engineering, medicine, and human doctorate, nursing. This element, the branch of the natural science is, we call it the range. But the natural science is the range. The elements of natural science is what? Domain. Okay, social kennu the social in social is domain. The element or the branch of social science is mal range da jechuudha. Fakkeenyaaf lawii waa'ee lawii jechuudha. Damee social science lawiin. Akkasuma waa'ee accounting jechuudha. This is what? The branch of social science. Branch of what? Social science. Why marketing, economics, economics, why economy. This is what? The domain. Not domain, this is the range, but the social is what? Domain. Domain social keessatti argamu. Domain lawin fan wow fieldiin isaa jechuudha. Faayilaa kanaan maal jennaan? Domain range jennaani. But garuu social yookaan natural jechuun maali? Range. I mean domain. Social gaafa jennu domain, natural gaafa jennus domain. But the element isaanii jechuudha, domain isaanii, the branch of them is what? We call it range. Natural keessa waa'ee medicine fa'aa jennee katabannee jira. Waa'ee engineering, nursing. Isaan kun hundinuu maali? Range dha jechuudha. Okay, karaa biraatiin ammoo akkam jedhee isin hubachiisuu yoo yaala feeta. Domain jechuun karaa biraatiin input jechuudha. Input gisee jennu akkuma yeroo darbee ibsine, it's an inversion of phrasal verb. Inversion of phrasal verb. Inversion jechuun is when we write it, put in jennee barreessina, garuu input jennee barreessina. Inversion isaa jechuudha. Inversion isaa. Inversion gisee jennu opposite jechuudha. Wal jijjiiramee jiru. Fakkeenyaaf amma asila akkanatti sarara gad deemu kana akkanatti ol deemnee barreessu. Inversion. You got me? Input jechuun keessa galuu jechuudha. But the range is what? Range is output. Range is output. Range range maali output range domain input enne range nammo maali output qabu jechuudha. Warshaa keessaa qabu warshaa keessaa seenu maali input eenyu domainidha. Output ino eenyu range dha jechuudha. Katolfamee qabu keessaa maali range dha eenyu jechuudha jennee yaamna. Range is called it as a output. Kana fakkaata. If a set of all real number jennee domain real number polynomial function or real number domain is akkasuma range is or real number because akkuma reewa waamne without no what no gap no sharp no gap no sharp no gap no sharp malee gaddeema. Sorry, no sharp no gap no hole jennee ture. Wanti neesi deemannee wanti neesi waan deemuuf or real number yoo bakka itti undefined hin taane hin jiru jechuudha. Bakki itti undefined hin jiru jechuudha. I mean bakki itti exist hin goone bakki itti exist hin goone hin jiru. Bakka hundatti maal jechuudha exist godha jechuudha. So kanaaf illee or real number jenneen or real number. Okay. But f of x equal to ax plus b. This is a linear function. It's a general formula of linear function. A is unequal to 0 but if a is equal to 0, a work is 0. This is 0 times any number is 0 and there is on 0 times. The left one is mechanovic. Equal to mechanovic b. B is constant, is number. Because that's an even constant function. Constant function. As you can see here, constant function in the case of f of b due to a equal to 0. Okay, n equal to 0. It is a linear function. In function, this function has set of all real number as its domain, and the b is range. Being range. The chung b is constant number f of x equal to y due to this one. According to relation in the functioning is a road the has in grade 9 there is a relation in function relation y function. All function is relation but not all relation is function. Don't be worried about it. We will learn it. F of x equal to y usually the network. X in domain is input, range is what? Output in nature. Pay attention. Domain in fakkeenya of f of x equal to x square plus 1. X equal to 1 itti aburunno fakkeenya x getting x 1 in f of 1 because as x represent 1 x what 1 the whole square plus 1 equal to mega 2 because 1 raised to raised to 2 1 square 1 1 plus 1 is 2. So our result is 2. This is f of 1. F of 1 is equal to y y. You got me? F of 1 is equal to y. Y will get in it. 2 to the 1 is the value of y. Therefore, manage x, comma y. X is what? Domain. Y is range. You got me? Due to this one, what? F of x equal to ax plus b in it, right? As b as a equal to 0, this is because 0 times a is 0 in it, right? 0 times x equal 0 equal, because 0 times any number is 0 1 day. And I hope getting b f of x in b f of x y due to this one I'm gonna f of x in f of x equal to b then because a equal to 0 and a will get 0 and f of x in b divide. So new reason gamma a is because due to the we call it the coefficient in here la cosa full number coefficient is 0, a is 0, x is 0, y is b. This is domain. This is what? Range. Domain in the range. This is domain because x is domain, y is range. Pay attention. Y is range. Y is range. X is domain. Okay. Whenever f of x is the real domain, the set of all real number domain b is range because it is the values of y1 there. Get y1 there. And also recall the quadratic function is each of the following function is a quadratic function. The quadratic function is quadratic function is the degree of quadratic function is 2. Look at it as 2 f of x equal to x square no iddoo kana agartu asirratti illee akkuma mul'atu kana 2 jira, asillee kanumatti 2 jira, asillee kanumatti maaltu jira 2 jira jechuudha. The quadratic function, the degree of quadratic function is 2. The degree of quadratic function is what? 2. F of x square plus 7x g of x equal to 9 plus g of x equal to 9 plus 1 over 4x square. H of x equal to minus x square plus pi. Akkasuma m of x L of x kanuma jira because it is the what the degree is 2. Due to this one is the quadratic function. A, B, C is a real number, but with what? A is what? Unequal to 0. The general formula of quadratic function is when a equal to 0, this function is decreased to linear because x, the degree of 1 is linear. Linear is what the degree of the linear is one degree linear one degree when x equal when a equal to 0 gaafatee when correction function is changed to a linear function. Saniif restrict goone jechuudha. A equal to 0 inni goone saniif. Kana gadi suura kongoo kana 0 gootus 0 gootu rakkoon garuu immoo inni maali? Is general formula ta'uu malee garuu inni depend ta'u maali? X squaring isaa san biraa tuqamuu fadhu eenyu jechuudha correction function jechuudha. Correction function jechuudha. Ini gaa since your expression in kana fakkaatee represent a real number for any real number x. The domain of corrective function is set of all real number. The domain of corrective function all real number because there is what no gap, no hold, no jump, no break. Cabaan hin jiru bakkee dhootaan hin jiru bakkee dadhabee yookaan sharpii ta'e qaraa bakkee ta'e hin jiru uraa bakkee taatee hin jiru bakkee boolla ta'e hin jiru. Due to this one is a functioning set of all domain real number bakkee itti waan ta'e hin jiru because it's what polynomial. Polynomial yookaan maal jechuudha yeroo hedduu polynomial function is the domain of polynomial function is all real number set is what also all real number jechuudha. The corrective function is the part of polynomial function. Polynomial function is the corrective function jechuudha. The range of corrective function is that is depend on what a b c dan written by exercise sorry 1.1 manager said in each of the following cases classify the function as constant, linear, or quadratic, or none of them. Quadratic idamo, linear idamo, constant idamo, hojjedha. Constant function is the degree of constant function is 0 because x equals 0 equal to 1 because any number is make it million. The power of 0 make it 1 wait let me rewrite 10 100 million 100 million raised to 0 and then the power of 0 to make it result in the 1 due to this one what x raised to 0 is the 1 but then x the power of 0 is 1. This is a law of mathematical exponent probably in Seri mathematics. Okay, in each of the following cases classify function linear, constant, quadratic, A. It is quadratic or linear or constant is or none. Is quadratic because the degree of quadratic function is 2. Due to this is quadratic function. Okay. B is quadratic. B quadratic, linear, or constant, or none. Which is B, H over X, This is the different from our, from now on we learn it's different from them. It's under radical, all of them. X is also under radical. Due to this function is what differ from our today lesson. Remember that this function is not what not polynomial. It is not polynomial. Not polynomial. Quadratic, linear, constant. This is what none. Exponential function jenini kana garuu kana waan irra kiftanii qabatan. Exponential jenini let it be. As in maal jedha polynomial function jechuun gara gabaabaa yeroo polynomial p of x maal jedha an xn akkasumallee an minus 1 xn minus 1 bakka. This is a formula, the general formula of polynomial function. The general formula of polynomial function is that one. Let's jump on our business. It's a what? That is a polynomial, not polynomial. This is about exponential function. Because it's not polynomial, not correct, no correct, no linear, no constant. It is none. It is also none. See d. D is what? The degree of d is 1. You got it? No, as 1 degree. 1 degree, no. 1 degree. Due to this one, the degree of 1 is what? Linear. Okay. You know, this is what it doesn't have variable because x raised to 0. X raised to 0 is one. Due to this one, it is only constant. Due to this function is what? Constant function. There is no variability. F of x is what also variable because 1 no 2 over 3 raised to minus 1 j. And 1 over what is 2 over 3. Only 3 over 2. Now this one is 1 j constant function. This is a formula of okay. Make a far again. G is it a polynomial function? Not polynomial. It's what absolute function here. Sorry, absolute function. It's none. None. Linear quadratic linear constant sorry. Okay. Is it polynomial? Yeah, it's polynomial because x is a under radical is a what? X is the out of radical. X is mal out radical ayana injiru jechu. Malif sorry. Malif radical one malif quadratic function in because x is what? Here x is 1 stop when we multiply them, we got this function. 1 times x, 1 times 1 is 1. Let me write here. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times radical 2x is what? Plus radical 2x. Okay, minus radical 2x times 1. We got minus radical 2x minus radical 2x times positive radical 2x. We got negative, because negative times positive is negative. Radical times radical is what? 2, because 2 times 2 is 4. When we write it 4 as a lama. Due to this, you can write it like this. Minus what? Minus 2x. Because it's x squared. Yeah, x squared, because x times x is x squared. X times x. Let me take it as times x. 7 as good by 1 to jira. As is a 1 jira. When base is the same, we have to take from them and add powers of them. 1 plus 1. We got what? X squared. When we write f of x equal to jijjiirama warra fakkaatu with the minus 2x square. No, and radical of 2 minus and radical of 2x is cancelled out, because there are the same term. Plus what? 1 is our answer. Due to this is what? Polynomial, because it has 2 degrees. Degree lamang polynomial generation. Okay. Once again, the next is what? Quadratic generative. Quadratic generative. Okay. I normal jira. Kan mo pagka degree dalalti ng division. So salbisu jarinya, because there is only 1 degree. Due to this one is a linear function. When we simplify it, 3 over 4 times 12 is what? 3 times 12 over 4 plus 3 times 3 over 4. 3 over 4 times 3 over 4 times 8x. When we divide it by 2, 4 by 4 is 1. 80 by 4 is what? 2. 2 times 6. 2 times 3 is 6. 6x. We have x here also. Okay. 4 by 4 is 1. 12 by 4 is 3. Due to this, 3 is here. 3 times 3 is what? 9. Plus 3 times 2 is 16. 6x is f of what? K of x. K of x. K of x. Let me write the reason of K of x. 6x plus 9h. This is only of 1 degree due to this linear function is only 1 degree given linear function. This is the linear function. Okay. Normal jeda. Kan jechuun maal jechuudha 12 yeroo mara jechuun x minus 1 jechuun 1 over x jechuun tokko. Kana booda bal'inaan barattan ta'a. Kana jechuun a minus 1 yoo jedhe fakkeenya 1 over a jechuu wal qixa jechuudha. Okay. Sababa kanaaf maal ta'a jechuudha kun amma maal ta'a 12 irra hin jirtu minus hin jirti only x qofa irratti jechuudha. Due to this 12 times 1 over what x jechuudha. This is the final x equal to maal ta'a 12 over x. Is it polynomial? It's not polynomial because it's a denominator. Denominator is what the range of this one is not ordinary number because it has gap on it. Because when we divide it, 2 divided by 0, 12 by 0 is what undefined. Any number. When any number divided by 0 is undefined, but 0 is divided by any number is 0. I mean 0 divided by million is what 0. 0 divided, let me swap it and rewrite 0 divided by million with this. This is 1, 2, 3. Isn't it? Million. 0 divided by million is 0. But million 2 million divided by 0 is undefined, meaningless. Mathematically kan so we can give functioning garam taa'ee jira. Gaaffii qabaa jechuudha. Garee sanitti akkanatti caljeedhumannee waan smooth ta'e. Because it has gap. Gaaffii qabaa jechuudha. Zeeroon tokko jechuun zeeroon asii yoo jiraate amma zeeroo isaan tuqne asiinis akkatti hima. Asiinis akkatti hima badheessa malee. It doesn't touch zero. Asirratti maaltu jira? Uraa jira jechuudha. Asirra hoolii jira. Due to this one, domain is not a real number. Therefore, it doesn't what? It's not or doesn't polynomial function, not polynomial function. Not polynomial function because we are none none. Okay, k gaafoo x minus 2 kun wal fakkaata isee waliin gootu makataa isaa waliif hir'uu jechuudha. Wal fakkaatu waliin dhaamsita. Garuu asirratti maal restriction nu godha? X is unequal to 2 because unequal to 2 ta'uu qaba jechuudha. Because when x is 2, this is 0 dhufa jechuudha. As 2 gaafa galchitu 0 dhufa because when 0 dhufa denominator is 0 is when denominator is 0 it's meaningless according to mathematical rule or precondition. Mathematics in hajajutti because 0 denominator in denominator and denominator and denominator and denominator waama fi waamsisa waamama yoo waamsa 0 ta'e functionin san achirratti maal jechuudha undefined jechuudha. Akka maarreen bakki waamamaan no bakki waamsisan 0 ta'e sanarratti undefined doesn't exist jechuudha. Right now saniif polynomial polynomial not polynomial none jenna no it's polynomial. but it's polynomial, not what quadratic, because it has four degree of quadratic function x equal to 2 must the degree of quadratic function is 2, the linear is 1, degree of linear is 1, the constant of degree, the degree of constant is 0. You got me? X raised to 0, x raised to 1, x raised to 2, quadratic, linear, constant degree is equal to 1 jechuudha. 1 in linear in x raised to 2, x to the power of 2, x to the power of 1, x to the power of 0. Bifa kanaan kaa'ame saniifuu hummaa jechuun nan jenneetti kanas hundaa the value, what is the value of a, b, c if f of x is cosine linear, constant linear or quadratic function. Asitti hummaa reefu laallesan irratti let me write it. A kun a equal to 0 yoo ta'e function kun eessa gad deema jechuu karaa linear deema. If a equal to 0, this function is the what decrease to linear, from quadratic to linear jechuu quadratic karaa linear deema. When b and a equal to 0 gaafatanu, this function is from quadratic to what linear constant function deema, because b is 0, it is cancelled out, b is cancelled out, b is cancelled out, x is cancelled out. Due to this is 0, it's only we have c. C is what? Constant number. When b is equal to, when a equal to 0, this function is linear. When a equal to 0, when a equal to 0, because 0 times any number is 0, and also when b equal to 0, a equal to 0, b equal to 0, this function is constant, because you only have left is what? C overcome. Due to this one, this function is what? Constant in that. Gaafa immoo asitti fakkeenyaaf amma when b equal to 0 gaafa ta'e x garuu 0 hin ta'in, this function is quadratic function. Kunillee yoo fedhe 0 haa ta'u rakkoon qabu jechuudha. Quadratic function jechuun degree of quadratic function degree isaa takka taanaan linear, degree isaa 0 taanaan what? Constant. Degree isaa 0 jechuun bakka constant jechuudha. Constant jechuun c jechuun is constant. Take it. Constant is number. It's not variable waan jijjiiramaa miti jechuudha. Okay, kana fakkaata. No, the definition of polynomial function. Definition of polynomial function. Constant linear quadratic function are all what? Species of wider class of what? Polynomial function. Shanyiin isaanii eenyu? Polynomial function. Wider class isaanii eenyu jechuudha? Kutaan guddaan isaanii polynomial. Late definition 1.1 is late. The definition, let's let n be a non-negative integer. Non-negative integer when we draw the line of number start from 0 up to here is the positive infinity. Start from 0 up to from the left minus infinity, negative infinity. Adeemu asii achi baanna garuu gaafa positive integer jee gara eessatti 1 2 3 jechaa warra deemu jechuudha. Minus 1 minus 2 waan hin hammatu jechuudha. Kana fakkaata. Sorry. Fakkaata negative integer immoo bifa kanaan kaa'ame jechuudha. jechaa deemee keessatti A1 A0 jechaa is a real number but n is unequal to 0 jaalatteetti n jechuun the largest degree have n jechuun is the largest degree qabu jechuu guddaa hojii qabu eenyu maal n dha jechuu n it has what the highest degree in this polynomial function no akkuma sirriitti n is what n x raised to n waan ta'eef taas what highest degree no itti aanee itti qaba second third fourth jechaa deemaa gaditti qaachaa deemaa 0 ta'utti 0 gaafa ta'e degree 0 is 1 constant jechuu you got me okay called polynomial function variable x the degree is n look at here degree is n cos an x raised to n is the power of n jechuu kana fakkaata note that this definition of polynomial function f of p of x is a polynomial p is represented polynomial p of x an x raised to n plus an minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 this is a chat over runners kana fakkaate n x minus n and also an minus 2 dot an sorry a1 dot a0 are what the coefficient we call it what coefficient of the polynomial function simply the coefficient of polynomial function in okay the number of an is called leading coefficient an kumali guddaadha waan ta'e leading coefficient jennaan gaafa immoo the polynomial function leading coefficient of polynomial function gaafa immoo an x raised to n gaafa waliin jedhamaa jenna leading term jennaan leading chair asirraa jechuudha hoogganuu yookaan bulchuun eegalamte liitii jechuun bulchuu yookaan hoogganuu gaggeessuu jechuun asirraa eegale because it has the largest degree guddaa qaba jechuudha asitti immoo noot jechuudha noot or a0 maali noot maali is called constant term of polynomial function constant term the number of n is the exponent of the highest power of x the highest power of x in n jechuudha n jechuudha pay attention n is what the highest power of n x the degree of polynomial function which is the degree of polynomial function yeroo isin jammaan jechuudha guddaa qabu keessatti dubbataa jechuudha kana jechuun fakkeenyaaf amma p f of x equal to x the power of 9 plus x the power of 2 plus x the power of 10 which is the degree of polynomial function yoo 10 jechuudha 10 jettee deebisuu sagalilleen kana yeroo maal ta'e guddaa fudhataa jechuudha osuma inni highest hin jeen ifumaa guddaa fudhatee what is the degree of polynomial function using good data you have to do like that okay not the domain of polynomial function is or real number area real number area no real number area it's the number example 1 which of the following polynomial function for those which are polynomial find degree leading coefficient and the constant term you got it no set for yana voltage in leading coefficient agent the coefficient there is that what the the highest degree in front of the highest degree kata jechuudha. In front of highest degree kata male 2 over 3 is the what leading coefficient of this function that. But the degree of this polynomial function is 4. Constant is that okay, because what a not not is a constant, no constant term. Okay. Hojjedha digriin isaa meeqa jechuudha? 4 quotient 2 over 3 dha jechuudha. Akkanuma constant term over 8. But b is x squared to x. When x in dhameetillee maalli taa'ee jiru? 1 ta'a ture. But it is x equal to 0 irratti maal jechuudha? Undefined. Due to this is not polynomial function. Polynomial function is a domain of polynomial function is all real number. Don't forget. Due to this function is not polynomial function because doesn't define or what x equal to 0 because x over 0 or 0 over 0 is what meaningless in mathematics. Precondition similarity is kind of do undefined. Okay. See, is it function or polynomial or not? May I ask this one left? And it can grab right in my absolute value x plus 1 if you can do look at age. But I can have functioning kunivi kun will get the same. But secularizing in general akan jira x equal to y and the radical of x square. Look at the is equal. Due to this function is what not polynomial. Okay, me d e 2x raised to minus 4. This is due to minus divided by what? 2 over x raised to 4. This is not polynomial because when x equal to 0 it doesn't what meaning, doesn't have meaning. It's meaningless. When denominator is 0 is meaningless according to mathematics. Mathematical precondition it's not polynomial. This is not polynomial. This is also not what? Polynomial. No, it's polynomial. Well, enough because it's when we put 0 will give x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 1. 0 is defined undefined minus undefined. Due to this one is what polynomial function. Degree in summary, when we divide by 2 of them is we got 1. This is what constant term. Constant term leading coefficient is 1. Degree is 0 because 1 times any number is that number time constant. Degree is 0 bifa kana fakata huno asitti f bira dhuftu f bira gaafa dhuftu no fakata. This is leading coefficient plus 0. Constant term is 0. jechuu dandeessa. Asitti waan ifitti danne yookaan ifitti danne leading coefficient meeqa 8 over 5, but but the degree is 1/5. Sorry, degree meeqa 1/5 jechuun 5 over 5 degree. Asitti square function because we are reevun the limit, right? I'm gonna reevun meeqa dhufe reevun naannoo yeroo waliin baay'innu meeqa nu dhufe when we divide by 2x that's 6 dhufe. I think jennu already Navaiza 1 minus 1 is minus 4, isn't it? Yeah, 2x square. Okay, 1 jenne akkasuma mallee 1 plus 1 jennani akkasuma kanaana jalqabee isarraa eegalle 1 minus 1. Sorry, it is nothing. Is nothing here. And the radical of x another number, isn't it? Another number, isn't it? Okay, take it. And the radical 2 sorry, x, and also 2x0 when we divide it by 2 times 1 is 2 times 1, 2 times x is minus 2x square, which is cancelled out, so minus 2x square plus 1. Leading coefficient in Samega minus 2. Leading coefficient. Degree in Samega, degree in n equal to 2. Constant term is 1. Okay. Y k of x equal to 6 over Sirritti 0 normally quantifying, by the way y equal to 0 is doesn't the meaning due to this is not polynomial function. No, it is is not what polynomial function because it cannot be what before an polynomial function. Akasuma d is what? D is not polynomial function. No, degree is 0, leading coefficient is 1, constant term is 1. Because degree is 1 is in 1, x raised to 0. Because I is an understanding. You can bring up plus 0 or 0 is it the animal with the degree is 0. Coefficient is 0. Leading coefficient is 1. Constant term is 0. Look at here. Constant term, no constant term means 1 because there is no what? There is no 1. Sorry, there is no 1 because due to 10 x raised to 0 is 1 jenne. Pardon me, man. Constant term leading coefficient is 1 diagram. Constant term 1 leading coefficient is 1 here. Garuu reefu jalqaba isarratti kan itti neenyati asitti no asitti kana kanaan dhaabsinu eegannoo fi 1 jechuun x raised to 0 equal to 1 maali? Kana jechuun leading coefficient isaa 1, constant term isaa 1, degree isaa maali? 0 dha jechuudha. Yeroo dabree garuu akkasiin goone turre. Sorry. Okay, h is akkasuma not polynomial function dha jennee because 6 over y when y is 0 it doesn't meaningless jechuudha. Akkuma reefu daleenee minus 2 dha jaatti. Minus 2 is the leading coefficient, 2 is the degree, and the constant term is 1. Bifa kanaan hojjetame. Okay. Polynomial function expression haala kanaan ibsamuu qaba jechuudha. Polynomial functioniin haala kanaan ibsamuu qaba jechuudha. Always. Yeroo hundi non-negative integer n is non-negative integer n is unequal to 0 ta'uu qaba jechuudha. When we define polynomial function, the general term of polynomial function is this one. Generally isaa kana fakkaata jechuudha. An is but what? An is what? An is the highest leading coefficient kennuun kana jechuudha. Leading coefficient isaa kun unequal to 0 ta'uu qaba jechuudha. For the polynomial expression keessatti inni kun meeqa hammataadha? Gaafa hirruuf meerii fi x square plus 4 plus 3 over 4 plus minus 6x raised to 4 over 4. Isn't it? 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 by 2 is 3. Kami ammas keessaa degree guddaa qabu. Kanaafi isa 4 leading coefficient eenyu 3 over 2. Degree isaa ta'u 4. Sorry, constant term no. Constant term 3 over 4 3 over 4. Yeah, 3 over 4. It's constant term because it doesn't have what? Variable. Leading coefficient, the coefficient of the coefficient. Leading coefficient is in the leading coefficient is different from coefficient. Coefficient in the leading coefficient. Leading coefficient gaafa tu guddaadha jechuudha. Coefficient is gaafa immoo xiqqaadha kuusaa kanneen immoo degree hangana qabu irratti coefficient isaa meeqa gaafata malee leading coefficient lakkoofsa isaan ganas hin jiru. Leading coefficient isin jiru maali guddaa isaa jettee beeku qabda jechuudha. Guddaa isaa kisee jennu an equal to 0 kennitanii jechuudha. It is leading coefficient jennaan. Sanii maal jennaan leading coefficient jennaan. Akkuma asitti ibsame kana an x raised to n an is unequal to 0 jenne bifa kana fakkaata. Asitti constant term ibsanii turre 3 over 4 inni yeroo irraa argannu. Okay. As go to the match box has length isaa x centimeter qaba jedhe and the width isaa immoo x plus 1 centimeter, height isaa immoo maali 3 centimeter jedhe. Mee inni kaasna as I can let me draw it. Akkana yoo ta'e fakkeenyaaf amma akkana yoo ta'e yeroo jallatee jira. Akkana yoo ta'e amma kun amma kibriita inni as keessa jira jennu kibriita. This is width, this is L. Length kennuun jechuudha. Asii asitti immoo h jenneen. H meeqa jee 3 dha jee L no x dha jee width garuu immoo x plus 1 dha jee. Express the surface area of function f of x ibsa jee. Isa f of x ibsuuf gaafa yaallu maali? X n isa kana jechuun maal jechuudha? Perimeter times h jechuun pre-major jennu maal jechuudha? Isa kana jechuun lx times lx times h plus akkasuma malee lx times h plus times x plus wh times h plus w which is kind of plus mega plus w times h w times length amma kun gaafa kanaan bayyinu meeqa ta'ee jira lamami 2wx about h innu l innu gana asitto 2w h this is not w is l times h irreesna sababa saniif akkana goone p h inni kana jechuun 2 because of we have to times 2 waan goonu jechuudha. Pre-major jechuun ida'ama eeriyaa isaanii jechuudha. Ida'ama isaan sanii yeroo nuti eegsine LH plus width h plus width LH kana formula as L equal to x as y equal to x plus 1 jennee due to this one represent gaafa goonu meeqa jechuudha L meeqa x h no 2 no 3 kenname h nuuf plus width no x plus 1 times 3 plus meeqa plus cinaasa meeqa jechuudha let me rewrite area jechuun 9 pre-major times height jechuudha ole innuun kana jechuun ammoo pre-major jechuun ida'ama qaamota eeroota jechuudha. Saniifuu tuu jechuun eeriyaa asiinis tokko qaba asiinis tokko qaba asiinis tokko qaba kanaafi leengisii h isaatii waliin fudhanna yugaame kanaafi h isaatii wajjin fudhanna yugaame kanaafi w fi h isaatii wajjin fudhanna kanaafi w fi h isaatii wajjin fudhanna akkasuma l fi h isaatii suggulama wajjin fudhanna jechuudha. Duutusii waan lama goonee baay'isnee sababa saniif lama goonee baay'ifne h equal to bx h inni jira 2 jechuun keenya lama goonee baay'isu na hubattan jee yaada w h plus l h plus l w jechuun width length kennu mana jechuudha. Lama wanneen as godhee w h plus w h plus l h plus l h plus w h plus w h w l w w l w l jechuudha. w l plus h mee tuudha. Kanaa ta'utu saniif tuudha godhee jechuudha. Isaan kanarraa tokko fudhadhee walitti bifa kanaan inni beekame. Okay, sure. Let me change my marker. Okay. Okay. Kana fakkaata. Tuudhenne bituu h meeqa w keenya meeqa nu kenname x plus 1 times h no 3 plus kanaatu inni meeqa nu kenname x h no 3 plus h meeqa nu kenname sorry l x times x plus 1 when we multiply with them x 3x plus 3, okay, x times 3 is plus 3x, x times x square, x times 1 plus x jechuudha. As tuun keenya ni jira beekadhaadha inni irraa tuu teenya ni jirti. Ammallee akkasumatti gaafa warra wal fakkaatu waliif kennuuf yaalla. Let me make it guddaan x square itti aanu inni guddaan x walitti daana plus 3 plus 3x is 6 plus 1 is 7x plus 3 is the only left, our left is 3. 2x keenyaan baay'ifannaa jedhan booda 2x square plus 4x plus 6 is a of x jechuudha. A of x bifa kanaan ibsaa jennu. A of x bifa surface of area bifa kanaan ibsaa nun jee. Okay. No. Express the surface of function f of x is jira. Is jira. The degree is 2, isn't it? Degree is 2. The constant term means 6. Constant term of polynomial obtained above. Another cut. Okay. We can restate the function linear and the quadratic function using terminology. We can express in verbal jechaan kan ibsamu jechuudha. Verbally gaafa verbally. Then maaliin jechaan yeroo ibsinu linear function is a polynomial function degree isaa waan jedhamu akkuma yeroo dubbataa turre non-zero is what constant function. Constant what function constant function is a polynomial function degree isaa kamal ta'e 0 ta'e. Similarly akkasuma quadratic function of function the polynomial function is degree isaa kamal ta'e quadratic function yeroo maal ta'e degree isaa 2 ta'edha. The zeros function f of x is also what considered to be polynomial function. Considered to be polynomial function, but it not assign degree to this level. F of x, p of x equal to 0. Polynomial function ni assign gona but it doesn't conscious ta'uudhaaf nama garuu doesn't assign wanni isa kan assign godhuu hin dandeenyu maarree digrii isa assign godhuu hin dandeenyu atsiis levelii sadarkaa kanatti maal godhuu hin dandeenyu digrii isaa murteessuu hin dandeenyu when f of x or p of x equal to 0 gaafa ta'e you got me kana fakkaata. Okay, not the expression polynomial. We use omit all terms which appear with 0 coefficient. Write others in decreasing order and the increasing order of the 0 exponent. Increasing or decreasing order yone tartiibaan kaa'uu dandeenya. Yeah, today is the only what I have today's lesson is a stop from or quit on here. We will come in another lesson. Until then, happy studying. And